What is going on, passive income family? So I'm sorry that I've been slacking on the uploads. I usually do them daily or every other day, and lately I've been finding myself barely posting 2 or 3 times a week. Now I know I'm not big, so it doesn't really matter, not too many people are watching, but for the people that do, I love and appreciate all of you. There's been a lot of new stuff going on, and it's going to be pretty fun from here on out, especially towards this time of the year. So just before I get into the objective of today's video, just want to show you what a random straggler slash entrepreneur came in to sell me yesterday, and I bought a couple of them just to support his grind, and they're pretty neat to have, even though I'll never use it, because who'd use a taser when you have this? You got this thingy right here, does a couple cool things. You got strobes and flash, so I know that's pretty crazy. It's meant to go like that, some SEAL Team 6 type deal. If anyone is bugging you in the parking lot, zap them. This right here is one of my favorite things out of everything, because I'm a huge pepper spray advocate. Because when you have a weapon or a knife, you have no choice but to kill or even seriously injure, and that's really not my style of things, especially after leaving the military. If I can preserve life, I really prefer to, and that's why I love this pepper spray so much. I'm gonna have a link in the description down below where you can defend yourself any given time without putting anyone's life in serious risk. This will get people to back off, even if it's one or a bunch of people. So this is something good, because without someone's sight, they're useless and no longer a threat to you. Now, before I make this a self-defense course, let's move on to the juicier stuff in life. I have some great things that have been coming in the mail. I have a big toy coming in on Saturday or Sunday, moving from Oklahoma, and it's been very tough to get transported because it has 3 wheels and it can't sit on a traditional transporter rack like the regular cars do, because that 3rd wheel is going to be going towards the middle of the tracks, and it just doesn't work that way. So in turn, I need a flatbed or enclosed vehicle that can transport it, and that just makes it more expensive, but it's okay, because for the meanwhile that I've been waiting, I bought myself some really cool stuff, and you're gonna see what all this stuff is on the vehicle once it's present. But this is just gonna be like some aircraft pilot jet type of seatbelt styled straps for the passenger and the driver, and they're in red, which is awesome, just like the color of the vehicle. I even bought a steering wheel, just because the one that they give you is kind of like all black and bland, doesn't have anything in the middle, and I like to be unique, so it's very important to change up things that come from the factory, and always be careful, because you never know what you might be holding, because it is just a pen. To move on to some better things, this is going to be what covers the navigation, because it is open top, so the sun will always be beating directly on you until I buy a shield or a little semi-roof or even a fully enclosed roof. But for the meanwhile, this is going to be what is guarding the navigation from sun, and giving you some shade to be able to see when the sun's on you. This is going to be a light bar. This is for the grill, for the headlights up and down below. I'm going to be outlining and tracing just the whole body, and just the side skirts, the bottom lip, and all that stuff, just so that it lights up in a very bright LED strip type of white. If that's not enough, then I went ahead and got some HIDs, Xenon HIDs, and they're going to be blue, so vehicle red, HIDs blue. It really sucks that I'm only explaining to you guys what all this stuff is, but I just really can't wait until it gets here, because I'm going to make it a boss. This is the adapter that goes behind the steering wheel when you want to change it out. It's a very important piece, and the good thing is the place that I ordered it from comes with the adapter also, so good way to save a couple bucks. All this cool stuff I'll have. This is not only going to work for the vehicle that I have, and it works for a couple more. However, you can pretty much get the same generalized designs for your very own vehicle if you want to add some life and touch. And please be sure to stay tuned for this weekend's great reveal. I'm going to be revealing one of my vehicles for all the parts that I was showing you guys, and then hopefully in January or February I'll have another vehicle reveal. I know things are fast paced, 'tis the season, so you already know what that means. Busy. I have retail going on, I have online going on, and just all the stuff that comes with life and its responsibilities, and I feel like I don't know what day it is, what time it is, or even what it is that I'm doing half the time, but I'm doing things and moving forward. As long as you're moving forward, that's all that truly matters. That's going to be concluding today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So, stay tuned and take care.